everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have a new collection from URSugar, the brand URSugar. This is a collection of 6 different gel color polishes, and they are available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below, but I'm going to go ahead and jump into swatching these for you. A couple of them, I know at least one of them is toppers to go over a black gel polish, so I'm going to go ahead and test those out and swatch them on this near our wheel for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here they all are, and notice this thermal one, the second one, since it's just out of the lamps, it goes from a purple to a blue. Since these are just swatches, none of them have top coats, but check out they have very nice natural shine right off, on their own. Oh my gosh, these are absolutely stunning. So you have some glitters, thermals, cat eye, and chameleons here. Wow. So this one, yeah, I see. Ideally, when I looked at it out of the bottle, I didn't realize, I thought it was going to go well on its own, but yes, it is ideally one that it looks best over black. And check out that emerald holographic glitter. Wow. Oh, I'm so impressed by that. I love that. It's my only one of that kind. Now, this is my second holographic glitter cat eye polish. And check out that green, so gorgeous. These did better, I believe. I like the purple on its own, and the green is subtle. So yeah, you can go either way on its own, their own color, their own base, or place them over black. Wow, I can't get over how gorgeous these are. There's this thermal one turning back to purple, and this blue is so deep. So yes, I did 2 coats on this blue one, 2 coats on this one. Probably could have gotten away with 1. 2 coats on this. You saw what I did. Absolutely gorgeous. Remember that these are you can purchase these on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below. If you have any questions about them, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank URSugar for sending me these gorgeous polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.